how to increase or decrease the light balance in a picture on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, open up the Picture Gallery app. Next, in here, in the Gallery app, open up a picture that you would like to edit. Then tap on the Edit button at the bottom. Next, tap on the Tone tab or the button at the bottom here. Then at the top, you want to select Light Balance. At the bottom here is a slider bar. So here you can drag it to the left or to the right to increase or decrease the light balance in the picture. And then tap on Saved. And that's it. So that is how you can increase or decrease the light balance in the picture on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.